In a world where nature hides its oldest secrets beneath layers of time and earth, few places can compete with the awe and mystery of Rainbow Beach. Located on a remote coastline, often obscured by mist and myth, this shimmering stretch of land has suddenly become the center of worldwide curiosity. The reason? A series of powerful landslides have uncovered something astonishing, vibrant, luminous crystals that experts believe were buried for hundreds of millions of years. This is the story of those buried treasures, how they came to be, and what their sudden appearance means to the world of geology, gemology, and perhaps something far more extraordinary. The event that changed everything. It began with a storm, not an ordinary one. This was a once-in-a-century deluge that swept across the coast, soaking the hills, saturating the soil, and testing the strength of the land itself. After weeks of relentless rainfall, the hills above Rainbow Beach could hold no more. Then, in a single night, the earth gave way. The landslide was massive, reshaping the cliffs and burying sections of the coast in debris. But as the sun rose the next morning, locals noticed something strange glinting in the rubble. Thousands of iridescent stones catching the early light like a sea of stars. Some of the size of a fingernail, others larger than a man's fist. Their colors danced between fiery oranges, deep amethysts, ocean blues, and pure crystalline whites. They weren't ordinary rocks. These were gems, a forgotten geological past. To understand how such treasures ended up hidden beneath the cliffs, one must travel back in time. Geological analysis of the area reveals that Rainbow Beach sit atop one of the oldest mineral beds in the world, a tectonic seam where molten minerals once pushed through fractures in the Earth's crust. Over millions of years, cooling lava, chemical reactions, and pressure gave birth to rare crystals, agates, opals, topaz, and even diamonds. These stones didn't simply form overnight. Each one carries the story of the Earth's evolution, fossilized records of heat, pressure, and time. The colors trapped within these gems are caused by trace elements absorbed over eons. For example, iron gives a reddish hue, while manganese creates a lavender glow. Their beauty lies not just in appearance, but in age and origin. Until the landslides, these stones were trapped beneath layers of sediment and volcanic ash, far beyond human reach. But nature, in its unpredictable wisdom, decided to share them once more. The legend of Rainbow Beach. Long before scientists arrived with drones and scanners, the locals of the nearby fishing villages told stories of Rainbow Beach. According to generations of oral history, the beach was once a sacred land, an offering from the earth gods to a forgotten tribe. They believed the beach was cursed and blessed at the same time, blessed with beauty, but cursed with tragedy. Some even said the colors of the beach were painted by the tears of a goddess who lost her child in the sea. Though considered folklore, some are now asking whether these tales had some truth in them. Could early settlers have glimpsed these stones centuries ago during past natural disasters? Could legends be fragments of real events, remembered only in whispers? Scientists step in. After videos of shimmering stones went viral online, scientists from multiple countries arrived to investigate. What they found left even seasoned geologists amazed. Dr. Elias Wernström, a geologist from Sweden, called it a rare peek into the prehistoric Earth's jewelry box. Samples collected revealed an extraordinary mix of gemstones, rainbow quartz, fire agates, gold-infused obsidian, and, most surprisingly, naturally formed spherical crystals that resemble golden marbles. These golden balls, as they're now called, are so perfectly shaped that many suspected they were artificial. But lab analysis confirmed they were indeed natural, formed by volcanic gas bubbles crystallizing under immense heat and pressure. Some of the formations are dated over 400 million years ago, placing them in the Silurian period, a time when the world was mostly ocean and primitive life had just begun to creep onto land. The human gold rush. With treasure revealed, the inevitable happened. Adventurers, collectors, tourists, and even fortune hunters began arriving in droves. The once quiet Rainbow Beach was now alive with people digging, sifting, and photographing the brilliant stones. Children ran with buckets full of sparkling shards. Elderly couples walked the coast, hoping to find a once-in-a-lifetime gem. Some claimed they had found emerald-like crystals the size of eggs. Others told stories of discovering stones that changed color in sunlight. One woman even reported that when she held a translucent yellow crystal in her hand, she could feel it vibrating, as if the energy of the earth was still trapped inside. The scene was chaotic, but joyful. Unlike typical mining operations, this was nature's unexpected gift. A beach transformed into a natural crystal market by accident and time. Controversy and conservation. As the beach gained fame, so did the controversy. Environmentalists warn of irreversible damage caused by uncontrolled digging. Local authorities struggled to balance tourism with conservation. Plans are now underway to protect a portion of Rainbow Beach as a geological heritage site, allowing for controlled exploration and study. A proposed crystal corridor would include viewing platforms, educational exhibits, and guided walks, letting visitors experience the wonder without destroying it. There are also spiritual groups advocating for the beach's preservation. Some believe these crystals have healing properties. Others claim the land itself is sacred, and that disturbing it could invite disaster. Though these beliefs are not backed by science, they add another layer of mystery and cultural richness to the site. The crystals themselves. What makes the Rainbow Beach crystals so unique isn't just their color or shape, but their variety. Here's what scientists have identified so far. Golden spherules. Perfectly round, gold-tinted crystals, likely formed from volcanic gas bubbles. Fire agates, deep reds and oranges, with internal shimmering caused by iron oxide layers. Rainbow quartz, clear quartz with natural prisms inside, refracting light like a rainbow. Blue chalcedony, smooth sky blue stones of a waxy luster. Diamond-like calcite, translucent, highly reflective stones mimicking diamonds but softer. Some rare finds include stones with natural inclusions, small pockets of water or gas trapped inside since their formation. These inclusions are like time capsules, giving scientists clues about the environment hundreds of millions of years ago. A beach beyond time. Standing on Rainbow Beach today is like standing on the edge of time. Beneath your feet are not just sand and shells, but the crystallized memory of Earth's fiery beginnings. Every stone tells a story of ancient volcanoes, vanished oceans, and the powerful forces that shaped the continents. But perhaps what makes it most magical is the human reaction. In an age dominated by technology and speed, this beach has brought people back to wonder, to slow down, to dig with their hands, and to marvel at what the earth has hidden and revealed. The crystal secrets continue. Even now, new landslides are exposing fresh veins of crystals. Some diggers have started finding black stones with purple lightning-shaped veins inside. Others claim to have discovered stones that glow faintly in the dark, emitting a soft blue light, without any artificial source. No one knows how many secrets Rainbow Beach still holds. Some say it's just a beginning, that deeper down, far older and rarer stones wait be revealed. There are even rumors of a hidden cave system beneath the cliffs, where stalactites of colored crystals hang like chandeliers in untouched chambers. Whether those stories are true or not, one thing is clear. Rainbow Beach has changed the way we look at coastlines and at crystals. It has reminded the world that even after hundreds of millions of years, Nature can still surprise us, still gift us with wonder. And somewhere beneath the shifting sands and fallen cliffs, the earth continues to whisper its secrets, in crystal and color. Let's just hope we're still listening.